Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing stylish Mehndi designs for Eid that will make your hands look trendy and beautiful for the festive celebrations. Let's begin. Segment 1. Modern Arabic Mehndi Design. Let's start with this modern Arabic Mehndi design. It features bold floral strokes, swirling vines, and elegant gaps that give a stylish and trendy look for Eid. Segment 2. Minimalist Finger Mehndi Pattern. For a chic and modern touch, try this minimalist finger Mehndi design. With tiny dots, geometric patterns, and fine detailing, this is perfect for those who love simple yet stylish designs. Segment 3. Floral Eid Mehndi Design. Floral Mehndi never goes out of style. This floral Eid Mehndi design is filled with beautiful petals, leafy vines, and delicate patterns to create a soft and feminine look. Segment 4. Bracelet-style Mehndi for an elegant look. Looking for something unique? This bracelet-style Mehndi design creates the illusion of henna jewelry with chains, beads, and intricate wrist detailing, making your hands look extra stylish for Eid. Segment 5. Mandala Mehndi with a trendy touch. Mandalas add a classic and stylish vibe. This mandala Mehndi design features perfectly symmetrical circles combined with trendy accents to create an eye-catching look for Eid. Which stylish Mehndi design for Eid was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Wishing you all a joyful and stylish Eid.